File handling and input/output operations in C# 9.0. 1. Reading from and writing to files. C# provides various classes for reading from and writing to files, such as FileStream, StreamReader, and StreamWriter. You can open and manipulate text and binary files using these classes. 2. Working with directories and file paths. The System.io namespace in C# offers classes like directory and path to work with directories and file paths. You can create, delete, list, and navigate directories, and manipulate file paths. 3. Serializing and deserializing objects. Serialization is the process of converting an object into a format that can be easily stored or transmitted, like JSON or XML. C# supports object serialization using classes like JSON Serializer and XML Serializer. Deserialization is the reverse process, where data is converted back into objects. 4. Input/output operations using streams. Streams are a fundamental concept for input and output operations in C#. They represent a sequence of bytes. C# provides various stream classes for different types of input/output, such as file stream, memory stream, and network stream. Streams can be used for reading from and writing to files, network sockets, and in-memory data. Please consult the latest Microsoft documentation for a comprehensive understanding of file handling and input/output operations in C#, including advanced topics and best practices. Summary. Use classes like FileStream, StreamReader, and StreamWriter for file input/output. Work with directories and file paths using directory and path classes. Serialize and deserialize objects using JSON Serializer and XML Serializer. Streams, like FileStream and Memory Stream, are fundamental for input/output operations. Thanks for watching.